I love nature. Today I'm doing what I love. Let's get into it. Nah, yeah, nah, da na na. The Bonix on the rise. The Bonix stay up on your TV. Turn up the volume and put it in a 3D. Yeah, yeah. Gather round, can you see me? Come make we have a good time and be free. Sing it again. The Bonix stay up on your TV. Turn up the volume and put it in a 3D. Gather round, can you see me? Come make we have a good time and be free. Me talk about everything where you go on, from personal life to politician. Full enjoyment, that we plan. We have to talk about food as a Jamaican, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. The Bonix on the rise. The Bonix stay up on your TV. Turn up the volume and put it in a 3D. Get around, can you see me? But make we have a good time and be free.
Blessings, you know, give thanks for life. Yes, this is the life, nature, you know what I mean? Get up in the morning and connect with nature, you know? You hear the sound of nature, family. So this is what I love, you know. When I get up in the morning, first thing I do, I give thanks for life. Give thanks for health and strength. Give thanks for family. Give thanks for friends. Give thanks for loved ones. Just give thanks for life, you know. Yeah, man. Then if I have time before work, if it's not the weekend, if it's during the week and I have time before work, this is what I enjoy doing, connecting with nature. I come out here and I water my grass. Yeah, man. Just connecting with nature, you know? This is life. This is what I enjoy doing.
I got these flowers from Lowe's last night, and today I'm gonna put them up around the yard. So here I have some Roundup, fam, and you notice I put it away from my flowers. Yeah. So we're gonna start some work in the yard right now. I'm trying to get my yard looking all beautiful. Like when we was in Dubai and we went to that flowers garden place. Yes.
So this is the Roundup, and it's very dangerous. So what it is used for is to kill grass and weed where you don't need the grass and the weed. So basically I don't need no grass and no weed over right here, you know. I need right here to look all beautiful with my lovely mulch. So I just get the Roundup, and the Roundup will take care of all this unnecessary job for me. And you have to be really careful with the Roundup, as you don't want it to come outside and go on your grass as it will destroy your beautiful grass, you know. So this is what our garden looking like, fam. This is what become of our garden. I guess I just have a lot going on, and I didn't pay the garden much attention. But we're going to put in some work right now and get our garden back to life. So this is the end result, and I leave back a few plants that I see that I have survived from the past. And I think it's a few pepper tree, and I don't know if this is a pumpkin tree. Seems as if it's a pumpkin tree, but I just discovered it in my garden, and I didn't kill it. I leave it to see if we can see what become of it. Because I am not a killer, you know what I mean? I'm a nourisher. I love to see things grow. Plants, human being, everything. I just love to see things grow, you know?
So I just came into the garage and I happened to see this bird. I think it got stuck, but anyway, we're going to try to get it out of the garage, because if you know my wife definitely don't like bird, and my wife don't mess with birds. Oh, get out. Ooh. He fall, guys. Oh Lord. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to open the garage door so this bird can find his way out of the garage. And I don't know, I think it got stuck behind that thing right there. Oh, this bird is crazy. This bird is crazy, you all.
Like, go! Get on out of the Bannick's house, bro. Like, my wife don't like birds, bro. Go, bro. Like, bro, go. Bro, the place is open, bro. Go. Go. Lord, like, this bird is crazy, you all. This bird, the place is open and this bird is just fighting to get out, you all. Like, look at that. This is crazy. Oh, Lord, like, that bird is crazy, you all. Lord, help that bird.
That is it, family. Get up and do something around the yard, you know what I mean? Get up and do something around the house. To make the yard look beautiful, to make your environment look more lush, green, beautiful, and come more to life. Get up and do something that you will enjoy later on. So this is what the front yard looking like, family, you know. Yeah man, just a quick update. what the front yard looking like. And it will look better as time goes by, you know? Yeah, man. And just a quick update on our little flowers. One's supposed to be right there, but unfortunately, each time I keep on using the hose keep on breaking the flowers. So this is what I'm talking about, family. So you see how it breaks. So they should be looking like this one. All of them should be looking like this one. But as I said, each time I use the hose and I stretch the hose from right there, trying to bring the hose around there to water the grass, the hose always go over there and just break the flowers. But I have to just be more mindful and more careful. And how could I forget my beautiful yellow bellow? Oh, that's what I call her, my beautiful yellow bellow, you know. Ooh, beautiful. So this is what I got it looking like. You have to be real creative, fam. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. As what them said, take your hand and use, make fashion. So I have a little piece of old board. I have to screw it up there, bolt it up there. And I have to get something. Yes. Yeah, man. So let's see how it's looking from inside. Ooh-wee. That's what it's looking like from inside. Each morning my wife get up and come and she pull the curtain back and open the patio so sunlight can come in. Every morning my wife does this. Sometimes I do it too, but most of the time Katanya does it.
So everything looking all beautiful. Katanya is upstairs working and it's time for me to get ready for work. So we will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.